Hi, Tom here from Green Engine Recording, and I've got a sick Ampeg. When you get the fan out, Ampeg have conveniently blacked out the manufacturer and the product number. But after looking around online, I managed to find a replacement part, but it doesn't have the Molex connector on the end. But I thought, that can't be too hard to solder on. As the leads aren't labelled, I'm also going to have to check the polarity. When I'm not fixing things, I mix and master heavy music, so reach out when you're looking to take your tracks to the next level. Let's plug it in using some crocodile clips, because then we can easily change which lead goes to which terminal. Yeah, it spun the right way. Let's just see what happens when I switch that. Well, it worked that way too. And so now we're going to solder the Molex on, not paying any attention to which lead goes to which. Make sure you put the fan in the right way round with the logo facing out from the amp so it blows air away from the tubes. Now finally, let's put that Molex connector back on again. Hope this helps if you find yourself in a similar situation. Now, happy gigging.